after using our fire extinguishers, we throw them away, but not for BMX Custom, guys. So after watching this video, you will stop throwing your fire extinguishers away. Good day everyone, it's BMX Johnson from BMX Custom, guys. Today I'm back with another video, and guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn a used fire extinguisher into a fully functional exhaust pipe, guys. So if you are interested in stuff like this, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, turn notification bell, so you're going to be notified anytime I drop a video like this. Guys, subscription is absolutely free, guys. So without further ado, let's go straight into the video, guys. Okay guys, and now I put up this exhaust and like this for testing. You know, you have to pass muffler in here, so you're gonna sound smooth. Now you're gonna sound baggy. Let's see what it's gonna sound like. Come on man, take a look at this. Don't play, you will learn the hard way. Come on guys, take a look at this thing. Okay, don't play guys. And now we're gonna burn the exhaust like that to make that thing burn. First it's gonna be strong and the paint gonna bounce out. Okay guys, so there is something I will teach you. This is the exhaust. Now if you fix it like this, it will sound very roughly, and the exhaust don't have cells. For now I have muffled this pipe already, but now you have to do another muffler, right? Building muffler is very simple. Look at this pipe. I will put this pipe now in, but not just in to cover it here and shut it and to have it become a muffler. Now you have to, if you have a drill, if you think it's that good for you, you can punch some hole on it, or you can just use a very sharp cutter to design it with, so you're gonna have some holes on it. So when you fix it here, believe me, it will sound just like a Harley Davidson. But if you want it to sound very smooth, not like a Harley Davidson, a very smooth, you just boil the hole just like that. And now you have to use some fiber. Those fiber, you can get those fiber in any condemned vehicle car. In the bonnet, sometimes they fix those things in doors or cars engine, so you can get those fiber and fix those fiber aside the exhaust. It's just like screaming under the pillow. You know, the sound will be very low. Okay, it's just when you put the fiber in, it will give you a very silent sound. But for me, all my bikes, I want them to sound like a Harley Davidson, so I give them the Harley Davidson sound. For the customer requires that kind of sound. So now, without further ado, let's kick into this video, guys. And you will do this thing like this. This is the muffler. Now you will wet this up. And guys, as you can see this, yes, it's set like that. and the sound will give you the never seen sound. When I finish, you will hear the sound. And this is the exhaust, guys. I designed for the exhaust, so it will look clean. You get it, guys. There's what I designed for the exhaust. So when I finish and give it a good paint, it will look very clean. It will not look like a homemade. And guys, make sure you are painting this with matte black. Not every black will catch up with the exhaust. When the exhaust will hot and will burn up the paint, but using matte black, after you burn this thing with the frame, right after you burn up this thing, you will use matte black to paint it for. Matte black will suit up the exhaust. Play, you will learn the hard way. That's bad. Okay, guys, this is exhaust. Don't play, guys. You will learn the hard way, guys. Take a look at this thing. I've never painted yet, but it looks pretty good, guys. Now I'm gonna do some finishing, welding up, and then I will paint this thing with matte black. Don't play, guys. My daughter is looking at the exhaust. Thing is good. Don't look at exhaust there. God. Oh, don't play. Then my daughter just got an exhaust. Don't play this. You will learn the hard way, guys. The very dark man. Okay, guys, this is the end of the video, and guys, don't just go like that. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so you're going to be notified anytime I drop my next video. Subscription is absolutely free, guys. See you in my next video. Peace, guys.